I survived the roller coaster of diet fads and ineffective workouts, finally finding my solution in a 15-minute walking routine. I spent weeks experimenting with different exercises until I discovered this simple yet powerful routine that fit perfectly into my hectic schedule. I saved myself from the frustration of lengthy gym sessions by sticking to just 15 minutes a day. I built a habit of walking briskly, incorporating interval training by varying my speed and choosing inclines to maximize calorie burn. Despite initial challenges like staying motivated and finding time, I got creative by integrating these walks into my daily routine, walking during lunch breaks or while listening to my favorite podcasts. The results were remarkable. Physically, I saw my belly fat diminish, my energy levels soar, and my overall fitness improve. Mentally, I felt stronger and more confident, embracing the positive changes in my body and mindset. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews, plus enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues? Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now, link in description. If you're looking to boost your fitness, the Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. My journey proves that consistency is key. Start with small, manageable goals and track your progress. Celebrate each victory, no matter how small, and stay committed to your routine. Give this 15-minute walking workout a try and watch how it transforms your body and mindset.